Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to use WCoin. For that, you need Telegram application, so make sure you have it and you're logged into your account. Now at the search bar, you need to simply search WCoin. Now at the third, you can see WCoin tap bot. You need to tap on it. Now you need to simply tap on start. And there at the bottom left, you can see open WCoin. You have to tap on it. Now simply tap on launch. WCoin is an engaging and straightforward tap-to-earn game on Telegram. The game allows you to earn in-game tokens through simple activities like tapping and completing tasks, with additional opportunities to boost earning through referrals, stacking, and boost. Now all you need to do is start tapping on it. Now here you can also see various options at the downside: mates, tasks, staking, boost. Now all you need to do is keep tapping to earn. Each tap increases your token balance. You can also see your balance increasing at the top. And this is how you use WCoin in your Telegram account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.